Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the charging test on comparison between the OnePlus 9R versus the iQ7 device. As you can see friends clearly, and during this time of testing I'll try to use the small chart so which I have prepared here, as you can see. So I'll try to record the battery percentage, and I'll try to write down the temperature readings as well during this time. So for every 10 minutes and full charge we'll record the how much time it has been taken and how is the temperature is going on with the both phones. So that is another main thing which I'll try to concentrate. And the battery capacity for the iQ7 is of 4400 mAh of battery and 66 watt of flash charge, as you can clearly see friends, which is from the Vivo. 66 watts, and whereas the OnePlus 9R has got the 4500 mAh of battery and 65 watt of rapid charge, as you can see here. So in this test I'll try to use the same cables which came along with the box and same adapters during this time of testing. And here is a small stopwatch is also ready right now. So let's start the test by connecting to the two phones with the chargers. As you can see friends, right now the test has been successfully started between both phones, you can see. So between both phones right now they're at 1% exact battery charging, as you can see friends, flash charge. So again I'll be back exactly after 10 minutes of charging, and in this first 10 minutes we'll get to know the temperatures. So I forgot to test the temperatures first, so thank God I remembered. So right now the temperature is about 35 degrees, so 35 degrees. And there is no cooler and there is no AC, nothing is turned on, only the fan is turned on, that too with the low speed only. So I'll be doing this kind of test friends every time, try to being realistic, not turning on any kind of AC at all. As you can see the room temperature is also close to 34 degrees only at the moment. So make sure to hit that subscribe and do support me for this kind of videos. So try to check the links in the description for the playlist, so there you can find all the videos which are uploaded on the iQ7 device by comparing with other smartphones as well. So try to check these videos in case if you are interested. So again I'll be back after 10 more minutes and we'll get to know the results, which phone will be able to fast charge in 10 minutes, how much, that is what I want to know. So right now as you can see friends, we are getting close to the 10 minutes of time, and I'll try to keep my book ready as well and the readings as well. So let's see what will be the battery percentage in both phones. So 42% and 33% in this OnePlus 9R device, as you can clearly see, 43 and 33. So 43 and 33, I'll try to write down these readings, 43 and 33, and I'll even try to check the temperature readings. And let's check the temperature readings in the iQ7 device. So 38 degrees right now in the iQ smartphone, 38 and 39 in the back side, 39. As you can see the highest recorded is the 39 and is a OnePlus 9R, and OnePlus 9R 37, 38. So 38 overall friends in the OnePlus 9R, that is highest. So 39 in the iQ7 and 38 in this OnePlus 9R. So these are the readings for the first 10 minutes of charging both phones. So in the 10 minutes the iQ7 charged to 43, that's a really good thing, but sometimes these results might vary. So sometimes you'll keep on charging to 50% and sometimes to 45 and 46% around. So this is a test which I'm trying to do when the phone is in completely switch off mode. So if you keep the phone in on mode, that will be the different case and different scenario. So let's see friends what will be the results for the next 10 more minutes. As you can see friends, we are getting close to 20 minutes, and right now it's exactly 20 minutes, and show you the percentage 60 and 65. As you can clearly see 65 and 60. So iQ7 is in the lead. So I can understand the battery capacity is slightly less in the iQ7, so maybe that is another reason. But let's see friends, what is the results, what is the temperature readings. So that is what I'm trying to notice, 38.39.2. so there is no 40, so only 39 is the maximum. So it's trying to maintain very stable temperature, so 39 degrees. So whereas OnePlus 9R is about 38. So 38, I cannot see any kind of 39 over there. So let me try to write down the readings. So 39 and 38. So these are the readings for the first 20 minutes of charging the both phones, as you can see friends clearly. So 65%, 60%. So both phones are kind of close to each other, but one thing is that you should remember the OnePlus 9R is slightly bigger in terms of the battery capacity, little bit, but not much friends. That is another thing. So and the fast charging is a little bit faster in this phone, but in this first 20 minutes this iQ7 is capable of charging 60%, 65%. That's a really good thing friends for the first 20 minutes only. So let's see which phone will be able to charge up faster And I'm hearing a lot of complaints regarding this IQ7. The phone takes about 40 minutes and some 45 minutes, 50 minutes. But my unit took about close to 40 minutes of time sometimes to get full charge. That is the highest so far I have seen. So let's see friends, in this video we'll get to know how much time the IQ7 will be taking to charge. As you can see friends, right now it's kind of 30 minutes exactly. Sorry, I forgot to check exactly. So 88 and 86, as you can see friends clearly right now. So 88 and 86%. So let me try to write down the readings. So now let me try to check the temperatures. 38, 38.8, 38.8, 38.8, 39. Somewhere here around I did see, but I'll try to write 39.2 as you can see. So still the IQ7 is around 39. So OnePlus 9R is also 39. As you can see right now the temperature increased suddenly. So you can see the speed, the gap between these both phones decreased. So overall friends, right now the gap between two phones is only 2% after 30 minutes of charging. You can exactly see the difference, and the temperatures of both phones are maintaining around exactly 39% during this time of testing. So again I'll be back once the phones are getting fully charged close to 100%. I'll try to keep an eye on that one. So when the battery is about 99% exactly, I'll try to start recording and I'll try to talk until the phone gets 100%, so we can record exact minutes. So you can see friends, right now it's been 35 minutes and 36 minutes exactly, and the difference kind of close to each other. So it's only 1% different at this point, 98% and 97% in the OnePlus 9R. So 99% in the IQ7, as you can see friends, 99% in this IQ7 device, and OnePlus 9R is still at 97% at this point. So I'm just waiting for this IQ7 phone to get full charge. So as I said, some users, they're experiencing the slow charging in the IQ7 model. So make sure to comment below how much time your phone is actually taking to charge. So do let me in the comments below friends. This will be really helpful for a lot of other users. I think the IQ7 are completely charged around 36 minutes. So I'll try to write down the reading, and the OnePlus 9R is at 98% only, as you can see clearly. So finally the winner is the IQ7 device with the 36 minutes of charging from 0 to 100% completely, and whereas OnePlus 9R, so still it's getting 98 as you can see. So let's see whether the phone will be charging under the 40 minutes time or not. So that is what the time I was expecting to charge for this OnePlus 9R to charge. And IQ7 right now the temperature is about 38 degrees at the end of the testing. As you can see, 38 degrees. And OnePlus 9R is also at 38 degrees, and my room temperature is also 34 degrees. So it's really hot right now. So every time I do this kind of testing, definitely I'll make sure that no cooler is turned on, no AC turned on as well, and 99% as you can see clearly, 99. So I'm just waiting for the 100% to come exactly, so I can write down the timings on spot, so without any delay. So that is what I'm trying to do right now by talking, just by saying every time 99%. So make sure to comment below friends, what are your thoughts in my testing, what are the videos which you like, and what are the videos you want me to do. Definitely I'll do my best to upload those videos as soon as possible. And 99% still. So 100% is exactly around 38 minutes as you can see friends. So 38 minutes. So overall it took about 2 minutes extra time in the OnePlus device. So this is a complete graph as you can clearly see friends, from the starting to till now. So for every 10 minutes I've recorded all the timings completely. So 43%, 65% and 88%, 33, 60 and 86, and finally 38 minutes as you can see here. So this is a quick comparison between both phones, and thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe and make sure to like as well, because it really motivates me. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Bye.